Okay. Welcome everyone. I just got into a trade a couple of seconds ago on a gold 5-minute trend line. Yeah, nice closure below. So we'll see over here. 50 minutes, got 7 minutes left. Looking good. The zone below is nice as well, which is great. So yeah, looking pretty good for this to continue down. Oh, we're getting some profit over here, guys. 6 or 7 pips of profit already. Fucking hell. Very nice. Oh, shit. Okay, so at the moment now, guys, I'm going to go stop loss to break even, around about 9-10 pips. Obviously, my stop loss 15 as well, which is great. Coming towards TP1. Very solid. Very solid. Sorry, guys, I had this about a second to come on. Obviously, it's very early in the morning, but yeah, I'm going to go close them over here, coming towards the hourly open. So yeah, got a nice little 10 pips over here. Very nice. Really good work. So yeah, the reason why I want to close some now is because of the fact we're coming towards the hourly, and the hourly open can give a retracement. So yeah, took 80% off over here, which is good. I'm very happy with that. Let's see if we can continue furthermore. Really good work there. Pretty happy with that already. Wow, that's quick. Oh my god, you guys should see my phone. Oh my fucking god. I've smashed my phone. It's been a madness. Madness. Already got a banging trade this morning, 540. Already took 10 pips, very nice. 5-minute trend line. Hopefully we can continue over here to the end of this hour. So yeah, really good. So let me just get everything up over here. Music a bit too loud. Okay. Okay, so yeah, hopefully we've got a little run over here. We can continue further, which is good. And yeah, let me I need to invite Zoom and stuff. Wow, that was a quick one this morning. Let me just go through this. So let me just get this sorted. There we go. So we just add this on. Beautiful trade. Yeah, I saw the trend line here. I was like, oh shit, we might have some potential over here, which is great. Okay, great. So yeah, let me just add this all on. Prices came up over here. Might get stopped out in a second. Hopefully not though. It's making the top wick. So we'll have to see. Go. Beautiful. So looking like we made the top wick now, still in the trade, which is great. We should eventually now continue back down to 1756. This will be my next TP down here, because of the fact Every single time we've came back down to this level, and we've pushed through it, and we've hit 1756. Can you see to the left hand side? So that's great. Wow, my phone. Yeah, I'll show you my phone in a second. This shit is nasty. Beautiful. So see if this can continue. Okay, let's take a look at the chat. Welcome everyone. Let me just add people in the mentorship. Just go do that now. So great to start off the week. Nice. There's the little signal I put out over here, guys. Very, very nice. Very quick trade. Easy, easy, easy. Let me go this now. Here we go. Right, let me just put this on 1 second. And I'll definitely get some coffee in a second. I just want this kind of trade to continue here because I have a feeling we're going to push to this level. It's made the top wick of this 5 minute. It's got a minute left. I think we may be able to drop over here, so that'll be good. So yeah, in terms of the trade, very, very simple. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, closure below. Top wick. So yeah, I was pretty fortunate with that. So yeah, got into around about there. Around about 13 pips profit, which is great. Which is great work. Let me just get this on. Okay. So yeah, we'll have to see. What up, what up, what up? Morning, Jonathan. How long do you stream for? I stream until probably 9. Yeah, I'll stream until 9. So I'll do analysis in a second. Oh shit. Let me just get this on. There we go. Let me put this on off a little bit more. This is a bit blinding me a little bit. There we go. Okay, so still in this trade. Hopefully, I mean, we are going to have to make a top wick, which is going to be a bit annoying. But if we break that low, my God, we might be okay over here to continue bearish, which would be nice, to be honest with you. That would be pretty good. Who put their money in FTX? Raise your hand. Oh, God. FTX. Hell no. So actually closing that trade 11 pips. 11, 12 pips, which is great. Obviously got this little run, see if you can withstand. Actually, yeah, just tap me out. Yeah, just tap me out. That's a shame. Looking like it's probably made the top wick now. It might break this low and continue bearish. Very, very nice. But there we go. Beautiful trade already for the morning. Very, very early on though. 5:45. That's probably the time that I see a lot of 5-minute trend lines, which is great. So yeah, looking like they worked out nice. So I'll have a little fresh analysis for everything else, and then we'll get into it over here. But that's what I wanted to wake up. This is why I wake up so early, because I want the gold trade in the morning. 5:40 is a great time for it to happen. And wow, this daily time frame came down, eh? My God, that's a nice lower wick. Daily time frames just pushed, got no top wick, making a nice lower wick, which is great. Retesting the resistance to the left. That sounds pretty good. So let's just write this on over here. Right, so the daily time frame here is bearish at the moment. Clearly made some resistance or had a bit of a pullback for the start of the week, which is interesting. 4-hour time frame is good too. Yeah, so hope you all caught that if you were up early. Because I said 5-minute trend line looks good at 5:50. So you had like 2 or 3 minutes before that to have a look. If you didn't know, gotta get up earlier. Yeah, to be fair, it was very, very early. Wait, hello. Nice trade, Max. But how did we enter? We closed above trend line. No, I don't think we did. I think we closed right on it. For me, the confluence of how this trend line was and how we rejected the previous zone. So look at this. 1 second. Let me find it first. That wasn't there. Get rid of this. Where did I draw it? I'm trying to find where I drew it now. No, it wasn't there. I drew it there? Yeah, I think I drew it here. Did I? No, I didn't. 1 second. Let me find where it was first. I'm getting confused where the trend line was. There's so many fucking trend lines here. Wasn't there either because it touched that one. I need to look back on my recording where it was. It closed below there, so I think it hit this one. Is it there? It's there. 1 second. Yeah, it's like this. I think it was anyway. It might have been a bit lower actually. But anyway, one of the candles, yeah, this one here. This candle closed below, can you see? So the 5-minute time frame. This candle closed below. This candle made a retracement. I was like, okay, let me just wait for this retracement to see what the score is. Then we started pulling back. This candle had no lower wick either. So I was like, right, okay, I'm going to get into my sell here, which is where I'd want to. You know, where's the retest? The retest is there. This had a bit of volume and good stuff. We retraced. I got in at 1759.3, which is the retest of this support. And then obviously the clean candle to the left hand side was really, really good. It was all good all the way to 1756. So yeah, it was a closure below for me here. Obviously the retracement was quite aggressive, and the retest of the trend line, you know, wasn't viable. But what I wanted to do is wait for price to push up, see how it reacted, and it had no lower wick, and also the retracement was great to the resistance. So I took a sell there after this made the top wick. So yeah, boy. So yeah, let me just get that off. Let's look at the 4 hour then, as I said. So the 4 hours just closed bearish, okay? It's got another 4 hours left. Just literally opened up this next one. Looking like we're making some resistance. Take a look at the hourly time frame and the 30 minutes. So yeah, I mean, in terms of now where you'd want to take trades, you can start to really see in the 30-minute time frame that this is interesting. 1756, so below there would be nice to continue to push down there. That's like 11 pips, oh sorry, 111 pip zone. This zone here to continue to fill to 1747 could be quite nice actually. So that could be good. And obviously you can clearly see here, like, this is easily zone 1 or this is zone 2. If we get a closure in zone 1, we should fill it up to at least maybe this OB. So that could be quite nice targets to get to there. So sells below, I think, could be quite nice there. I have to look on the higher time frame to see if it's a big support or not. But yeah. Yeah, this is my phone. So this is great. I smashed it in the car yesterday when I was picking up my girlfriend. Yeah, it looks pretty smashed. That's great. Okay, let's just do this. Sells below 1756.56. Great stuff. And then obviously buys above. Let's take a look at where you'd want to take buys. This is quite a choppy area, if I'm honest. Maybe potential riskier buys above 1761.5 to fill this quick zone, but realistically there's not really much I see apart from maybe a 5-minute trend line. Let me just put this one on here, pulley there. So that could be interesting maybe later on if it gets above this resistance there, closes above, to continue back to the highs, 1765. I think that could be pretty nice, to be honest with you. So we'll look out for that. We'll look out for that. But yeah, in terms of other buys, yeah, it's not really the nicest area in terms of like a closure above. Maybe there, but not really the nicest. In terms of higher above, let's take a look to the left hand side on the 30 minutes. So yeah, got some resistance there. at this level here, so potentially above there. If I mark this on 1764, then we come all the way to 1771. So it looks pretty similar of what we actually did. So let's just go here. Yeah, interesting. So yeah, I mean, potentially, let's look at that 30. Yeah, maybe above like here, 1766. This seems to be quite a big resistance. If you take a look here, we've got resistance there, resistance there, resistance there, and resistance there. We've closed above all of them. So if we close above all of them, we've got actually a nice move to 1771. So I think that could be quite nice, actually. Yeah, might get rid of that traffic, and it could be quite decent above there. So let me just write this on. $1766.013. Very nice. Dano, top wick and gold, yeah, 100%. And we're realistically just making the lower wick, right, for the week, so yeah, it looks pretty good. Trend lines obviously here looking good as well, so yeah, good stuff. Let me get on into GJ and we'll do EJ as well. Looking like Bitcoin is dying here. Dying. Daily time frame, really breaking the lows of the recent levels. Wow, if we break 15.622, that could be interesting today. In terms of news, yeah, we got some news. Not too much today. Today is actually not too bad. There is quite a lot of news though for this week, so that'll be quite interesting. We've got to play our eyes to that as well. But yeah, let me just take a look. I'm just watching this Goldie whilst we get to this level. My friend has 50k stuck on FTX, his life savings. Ooh, well, he's not getting that back anytime soon. Because it's been gambled on another fucking hedge fund that they put on. Oof. But I don't know why they're leaving their stuff in exchanges. You've literally been told, don't leave your crypto in exchanges from the start. So that's pretty retarded, to be honest.
Morning, Max. How did FTX ever end up like how they are now?
Because the guy who started it, he's taken all of customers' money in the exchange. So it was like fucking, I don't know, like 8 billion or something. Put it into his other company, which is just a trading hedge fund, like they just trade. Obviously, he isn't. Obviously, he's a trader, yeah, but he made money from very lucky coins with no real value, right? So he doesn't really know how to trade. He's obviously it's just like someone just randomly starting a trading account, right? They're probably going to blow it. They're going to over leverage, they're going to over risk, and they don't really know how it works. But in this case, it's just a bit weird because he's got fucking 30 billion quid. Because obviously of his crypto in his exchange. So all of his mates started trading on that. I forgot what the name of it is. It begins with an A. Started trading it with no stop losses. Over leveraging, just buying things and not taking L's, not cutting losses. One of the lasses who is a main CEO said that she didn't use a stop loss. So, and yeah, they just spunked all the money. Clearly, it was all in crypto, and they've just lost, 90% of all their money, and now they can't pay people back. So obviously now people, when crypto is starting to come down a little bit, a lot of people are getting a bit worried. So they want to take their money out. Go on the exchange, and obviously they're not allowed to take the money out because they don't have it, because they've just spunked it. So
this guy's got some questions to answer to.
Oh, he's fucked. And apparently it's some dodgy shit. He's in the Bahamas, and like he keeps on having like some of his big investors like saying, "I want my fucking money back. Oh, I'm gonna come and kill you." So like they keeps on like doing dodgy deals on the blockchain to sending them money back and stuff. Oh man, he's going down.
Yeah, the CEO of Binance said there could be another exchange going down as well.
My God.
He said do not put your money in crypto at the moment.
Well, yeah, it's done, man. It's not going to be here for much longer, I don't think.
What do you see happening to the cryptocurrency now? What's your sort of perspective on it?
I've had a big awakening, and it's literally, there's absolutely fuck all going on with it. The only thing that's going to happen is governments are going to make their own, and you're going to have to use that. Yeah. There's no reason for them to not do that. The only reason why I liked crypto at the start was because I liked how the blockchain worked. I liked how you can go through transactions very quickly. You can send them a lot quicker. But they're just gonna make that. They're just gonna make their own. Okay, so they can still use all that technology. They're just putting it under their brand. There's literally, I bet you should this week. The UK government are going for some surprise
Bitcoin.
events. Yeah, like Bitcoin, whatever the fuck it's called. Because they want to control, man. It's the whole part of, it's. They're not going to want you to have that freedom of buying a coin and then making loads of money. Like, they want to tax all of it. Nothing's going to happen with it at all, 100%. So.
Well, I think Bitcoin will still stick around.
But why? What's the reason? There's no intrinsic value. There's nothing that it actually does. It's very slow payments. It actually costs quite a lot of money to send. It's bad for the environment. It's not going to be. It's going to be regulated like shit. Trust me, there's going to be absolutely nothing.
You think it's going to zero?
Yeah, I don't think it's going to be. It's going to be fugazi. It's going to be, wow, someone holds a little bit, great. It's not going to be anything. 100%.
Interesting times. Good perspective to hear as well.
Goldie looking good for some buys. Oh yeah, we're coming up, eh? Yeah. Very, very nice. How big would our stops be? Quite large. Quite large, but we'll see. Maybe a retracement back to this left-hand side there would be good. Stop loss down there would be like 23 pips. TP would be 36. So that could be quite nice, yeah. 30-minute hourly, there's not much resistance there. Nice strong candle as well, so that could be quite good. In terms of GJ right now, yeah, looking kind of shocking, to be honest. 50-minute time frame looks pretty shit. Right next to 164, so I can't see too much in GJ right now. What was that Asian spike there? Yeah, a big spike, a little bit of a gap. And in terms of the level, let's take a look below. Is there anything I'd like below? Are there? So that zone's actually not too bad. Maybe sells below, yeah. That could be quite nice to continue down. How does the 4-hour look? So 4-hour, obviously, yeah, it's doji, so it's not the nicest. The daily time frame is bearish, so it's already made the top wick, so that's quite good. So yeah, we'll have to see. Maybe a closure below, a closure above. I need to see that Ronaldo thing. Oh, it's just closed above. The retest entry would be there. Is anyone going for this? Stop loss would be 23 pips. I quite like it. If you actually got to that low. Okay, so we're coming down over here. 1762. I'm gonna take this. This buy 100%. If you come down to that level, yeah. So we're coming to on it now. Stop loss is gonna be below 1659.7. So yeah. Okay, beautiful stuff. So I'm gonna take a buy right now. Stop loss below there. Good stuff. So great. In the trade now, closure above the trend line but I'm happy that the retracements here, very, very strong candles. My stop loss is down here. My TP is up to here, 1765, which is great. And I'm going to hold this one, I think, maybe a little bit longer. So let me just put this on. So yeah, I think we should at least fill that wick to there and then maybe continue back up to 1765. So that could be pretty good, to be honest with you. Let's put this on. 65. Beautiful. Second trade of the morning, man. Damn. Also, this is the lower wick of the 15, which is good. So yeah. Let's take a look at gold. Sorry, GJ. Yeah, nothing much yet.
And Max, what's that white line that goes around your candles and then slightly shaded white in the middle?
Which one?
The white line that goes around the candles and then it's
this
shaded.
One, yeah.
No, that's the
range.
that's
Oh,
the,
this one. Oh, the Asian range. Yeah, it's Asian. So this is the Asian highs. This is the Asian lows.
okay.
We like
Cool.
to see how the Asian session helps us. Because, for example, if we break Asian lows, we're normally good to push quite hard. Or if we don't break Asian lows, you know, we're actually respecting the level quite hard. So,
All right.
yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, we'll see with this one. We'll see. It's a nice retest though to the left hand side. Got a good strong level, so I'm pretty confident with this one, especially with the left hand side. This 50 minutes is making a lower wick, right? The retracement on the 15 is actually a little bit further down, so I might have to take a little bit of drawdown. But in terms of it, I'm pretty happy with it. Once you get moving. 150 people in here, guys. Make sure you like the stream. 9 likes, 15 likes and 150 people. Hell no. Get some more likes in this bitch. Would you like to buy gold? Yes, I've already bought gold. Crypto is just musical chairs, man. Yeah. That's mad though. And the guys, like, it's all going down. Man, there's some fucked up stuff in the world. Ronaldo's just called out like 10 Hag as well. What the fuck? I got so much stuff I gotta watch. So, and Speed was on, like, Sky Sports. It's like, what the fuck is going on? Yesterday was a madness. Can the retest the 15? I think. Can retest in the 15? Yeah. Yeah, 100%. I'll have to see over here. I'm pretty confident with this one because it's also on the 15, so I'm not really too asked about. If it closes below the trend line, I'm still holding it. I'm still happy with this. I think it's a great W as well. Can you guys see? It's a retest, so I think we should be good over here. Just making slow wick on the 15. 15's still got, you know, 10 minutes left, so it's good stuff. It's good stuff. Good with foot. Yeah, and this GJ's still taking his time, but it is still very, very early, man. We normally like gold anyway at this time. Just look at here. Yeah, spreads are still good too. So good stuff. We closed above this resistance, which I kind of wanted, so that's good. So TP1 is filling up this wick again, right around here. And if you want to, hold it a little bit higher up to 1650, 65. Yeah. That's what I'd want. So 15's coming to retest. Yeah, the 15-minute retest could have been nice. Nicer. So just say, has buying the retest been better for you compared to taking the flip? Yep, 100%. Because normally the retest is much safer in terms of your stops and that. Yeah. So this 5 minute doesn't have much of a top wick, which is good. So we'll see. It was in the trend line below. Entry was in the 3 minute. Missed it, unfortunately. There's one in the 3. Left 3 minute. $59.67. Just take a look. God, this messed up phone is mad. So we're pushing quite heavy down, but we'll see. I was buying the 167 people already this morning. Very nice. Okay, 50 minute. You got half the time left now. That's the lower wick, you pussy. So yeah, we'll see if this Bitcoin today can break them lows. My God. That'll be interesting. That will be interesting. Built on smart money concepts. Ever give it a go? Yep. Fucking hell, it's gold. Make your little wick of the 15, boy. Take your time. Yeah, smart money concepts. Yeah, we look at a lot of OBs levels to take positions off. So yeah, right now it's actually going to touch an OB, so that'll be quite interesting. That's why I also quite like it, because I've got an OB down here, which could be good to hold. So yeah. Wow, well this is just retracing pretty hard, man. Yeah. Still, the 15-minute hasn't got much of a top wick. It's barely made one. Looking at the 1 minutes, we are starting to retrace a little bit in terms of how the candles are closing. Looking a lot smaller. We just need some bullish push to come in, and we should be okay. Sell, yeah. Well, maybe later on Goldie. I'd like to sell. Maybe later on. I've already took a sell on gold before. So yeah, we shall see. FGGs as well. 5 minute looks ill for buys as well right now. Yeah. Yeah. Hope everyone had a good weekend. I sure did. It was good to see. I did a first escape room that I did not pass. Oh my god, it was so hard. It's bloody rock solid. Way too hard. So many bloody letters as well. It was fucking dyslexic person's worst nightmare. It's not a vibe. So yeah, we'll just see for this 15-minute to make the lower wick now and hopefully reflip. It's still kind of holding this level, which is good. No. It's already broken the previous hourly high as well, so it was just a lot of volume at that time, which is good. We should just continue. So yeah, if the retest entry was there, that'd be much nicer, and your stop loss could be below the zone as well. Got in 07. That was an OB trade in the 5 minute. 15 came and tapped at it as well, so that could be interesting. So, 6:26, still very, very early on in the morning. Wow. This could be setting up for a 15-minute celery play. Yeah. 100%. 100%. Still no risk management? Yeah, I mean, you could do it. For me, it's the retest of the 15. You can if you want to, but I'm happily taking this 1.4. The 5 minutes already closed below, so for me, it's just the 15-minute retracement now. So yeah, if you wanted to take the 5 minute, then you would have closed it even there. It closed back below the trend line, but for me, it was more confidence with other things as well. And I want to see in 2 minutes time how this closes, because if it closes weak bearish and pulls up, then the celery play would be good. Let's take a look at GJ still. Yeah, GJ's still loading up its rockets today. Still got a lot of time. Still got a lot of time in the candles. So in terms of gold, yeah, I mean the targets later on as well could be nice to get to 1771. That would be pretty cool. I'd like that. Like that a lot. Yeah, this 15 minutes very slow. 50-minute closes, we'll have to see. We'll go for the top wick now. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. 2-minute will close respecting res. Yeah, I have to see how it closes. Yeah, looking like we're coming down. Wow, what a massive spike as well. Look at the 5-minute time frames, man. A lot of volume, but yeah, and the zone above is so clean as well. So coming back down to that OB level. See how it does when it hits that wick. Which is here, by the way. I'm talking about this wick here. Why is the time different on there? It's 6:30 there already. It's not even there yet. 12 seconds left. So yeah, wow. See this next candle closure. 3.3 spreads here. Ooh, 3.3 spreads. Fuck. Nasty. Okay, so 30 minutes closed. 50 minutes still okay. Let's look at the 5. Yeah, I'm gonna wait on over here. Because what I like is also in this 3-minute, we've actually got a W as well, and it's pretty much keen to retest it. We'll see. I mean, in terms of risk management, I'm kind of struggling to find a way. I mean, it's already down. I mean, it isn't going to make much too difference to me now, unless we break that low. 1760.5. Might have to take it off now over here. So the 15-minute time frame, obviously coming back down here. Yeah, I wanted to touch that fucking OB. That's my only thing. I think it's worth it with the extra couple of pips. Only fucking 3 pips more. So, what's your entry price? 1761.07. Is it? No, 1762.07. Retest the support to the left, 1759.68. Yeah, we'll see. We shall see. So finally hit the OB. Finally. If you want to manage it now, though, I would just close, but I'm not gonna. Looks like the 1 hour break and retest. Yeah. We'll see 200 people for the morning. Amazing work already. Already taken fully 2 trades on a Monday. So GJ, in terms of the 4 hour, yeah, the 4 hour support's still there. The daily's got a nice wick to fill though, which is pretty nice later on. I'm quite happy with that, to be honest with you. Quite happy with it. So yeah, the only reason why I'm keeping this on is because of the OB that it's pretty much touching now. So yeah, just because I think it's worth me risking another 2-3 pips in this to react off it. You know the score though, percentage risk, 1.4% risk of this trade. So, and the other trade as well was 1.4, and I made around 1.2 there. So it's not too bad if we lose this. Good. My screen is absolutely fucked on my phone. My God, nasty. So literally the whole time after that push, he's just been fucking bearish the whole time. There's been no support, no retreat, no break and retest. Candles have just held. Madness. Could retest the support to the left, yeah. I don't know. The 1 minute time frames are looking pretty slow, which is interesting because we had a lot of volume just before. Yeah. $17.60, I suppose, a big psychological level, but anyway, coming down over here. And yeah, we'll see. So in terms of this, I mean, if we break this zone, yeah, I mean, it'd have to be below 1756.56. Yeah. I think below there would be nice to continue back into this zone. 100%. So still in, but it's not looking too good now, bruv. We'll have to see. And obviously, in terms of the news, guys, if you look on like Tuesday and stuff, oh my God, look at this shit. A lot of news, a lot of red folders, pretty mad. So that's going to be pretty interesting, I think, for us all as a group. Some nice buy stops, sell stops, maybe potentially. There's a lot of GBP news as well, so that could be pretty interesting. So yeah. Was this the 50-minute trend line? No, it was basically a 15 conference, but it was 5-minute conference, but it's basically the 50-minute closure above break and retest, which hasn't held. So yeah, I might get stopped out over here. Candles seem to be pretty slow though, so it's taking its fucking time. Taking its bloody time. Why is it so much traffic where you... What? That makes no English sense. Meta Wolf. Don't worry, in terms of taking gold trades in the morning, we've backtested it fucking 300 billion times. That's why I took one at 545. Nice 5-minute trend line on gold. So don't you worry about that, boy. Yeah, and in terms of the buy, I do think above 1766 to 1771 actually might not be too bad. In terms of the buys. The buys could be pretty good. Yeah. The buys could be pretty good. So yeah, that's madness. I gotta look at all this stuff. Speed in Manchester. Literally in Manchester last night, my God. Is that True Geordie said anything yet as well about his... You've seen some racist comments, my God. So much drama. Gold is gonna confuse to me right now, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'll just leave it alone.
Didn't he say something about Andrew Tate's religion?
Yeah. He just converted and he says like them bombing each other or some shit. Oh God, it's not gonna
Oh,
help
no.
you out, you true Geordie, you idiot. And then last night there was fights with Jake Paul and fucking Tyson Fury's dad and stuff. Oh my God.
Yeah, I just see that. He's got his top off in the ring.
Yeah.
That guy needs to pipe down, though. Come on.
Yeah.
He's just relevant on his son.
I know. Pretty mad. So yeah, this doesn't matter. If I take this out, it's all good. 30 minute could be making the lower weight, but it doesn't look too good. Looking like the volume's kind of settled down a little bit. We'll see. We'll see. But I do think potentially these buys later on anyway, above 1766 would be good to push. Nice little OB up there as well, which could be good. Could be nice. Let's take a look then at EJ as well. Yeah, it looks like shit again. Like, not much to look at it from there. I'm actually now applying hope. Nah, I've got the OB. The OB is the only reason why I've got it on. If there was no OB there, I wouldn't have it on. But it's still in the OB area. But I've told people if they want to close, they can close in that 15 closed, which is there. Which would realistically save them about 10 pips. Yeah, save them like half the position. Pretty good. Half the position. Tunes ranging a lot of pairs now, risky to trade, and imagine there are good trades out there. Yeah, 100%. I mean, especially in terms of the JPY pairs as well, they look pretty bad price action in terms of this morning. Max, you can't see the comments on your screen today. Oh shit, yeah. And that was the same as last time actually. Let me just see if I can sort that out. Actually, is it? Subscriber notification, YouTube viewers. Oh, here. Oh, that's there. Yeah, I'll have to have a look. I don't know where it is at the moment, unfortunately. Yeah. Come on, 5 minute push, boy. 30 minute made the lower wick. Have you blown any accounts? Yes, back in my day when I was very young. And it was not a nice experience. It's not funny. That's why I made my whole Instagram. Hell no, do not want to be doing that. Do not want to be doing that anymore. Did not want to be doing that no more. Why are you looking to buy gold? I discussed it before, man. It was ages ago. But the reason why I'm holding is because of the retest entries here. I thought price would hold there, and we're not. So we're kind of just in a situation where I'm like, 30-minute time frame close bullish. Didn't close above that resistance though. 50-minute close bearish. So it's just whatever. I'm not too asked. The OB at the bottom here is the reason why I'm holding it on. Just in case we get a reaction from that, and I can maybe get up to my level. Because I think if once this reflips, we're going to continue. So.
Which one's the OB, Max?
This one here. This is the candle before the push.
The push down before the push down before the
Yeah, so it's like this area, like here.
So what, has it just got to tap in halfway into that OB?
Anywhere in that area, yeah.
Anywhere in that area, right?
Yeah. But yeah, in terms of the volume for the buy, it doesn't continue. You got to wait a little longer, but as I said, you can close now here. You can close managing risk. I just feel it's worth this maybe support holding. What pair is this? It literally says gold there. Le gold. GJ looks good for sells in the hourly. Le GJ. Good for sells on the hourly. Yeah, if it gets below 100%. I think that could be quite nice. Yeah, and the zone below as well is pretty good, eh? Zone below is pretty strong. So I also agree with that. I think the zone is actually quite big enough. Could be quite fun to get down there, 100%. No idea why GJ run 200 pips last Friday. Yeah, just like 9 o'clock, wasn't it? Sort of just started to nut really. Pretty big. Yeah, so the webinar this week was good. I like explaining, you know, if you miss a trade opportunity, there's always one around the corner. So and you know, being able to identify which one is close is always pretty good to do as well. Yeah. It's also quite a good thing. It's a good thing to be able to do. Elliot, hey Max, will you be doing streams for the whole of November and December? Yes. Not maybe like December. I'll probably close like 22nd or something, and then I'll be back in January. Yeah. Because after Christmas, there's no volume really. Yeah, after Christmas, there's not much volume. Beforehand though, last year was good, but yeah, like after like, the 26th, 27th, 29th, 30th, like, there's just no point. Rather enjoy being with some family and stuff. There's no point. There's a lot of ranges. A lot of ranges. So 50-minute close bullish, which is good. It's got a little confidence for me. And respecting that OB. 30-minute time frame's got a nice wick to fill, so I think it's reasonable. That's why I've kept it on, really. And hopefully we can get back up to these highs. So I'll just do TP3, would be up here. Just in case we get the big push we need. Yeah, my phone is absolutely fucked. So yeah, I was driving to pick up Caitlin yesterday. Got in the car, my phone falls out my wallet, my pocket, and whilst I'm slamming the door, the fucking phone's in the way. So that was great. Absolutely knuckleballed the phone. So that was an interesting situation, 100%. Hey Max, we were doing stream. Oh yeah, well you done that one. Beautiful. 200 people already. So yeah, right in the start of the stream, if you go back to recording, we took a gold sell as well, sell trend line, which is great. In profit instantly, which is good. Much better than this one. But yeah. Time is it now? 6:47. Yeah. Still got a lot of time, and I still think this is the start of the bull run. I do think we may be able to get At least to 1765. To be honest with you. To be honest with ya. Push. Fill that 30-minute wick, boy. Only issue is it's got to get past that 50-minute res. But I do think with the volume we should. Looking like it's coming in now. Ooh. Signs of rejection looking interesting. I'm watching the lower time frames in the 5, and that's quite a massive touch on the trend line. Yeah. How long left for this 30-minute? Yeah, it's got 10 minutes or so. So that's okay. That's okay. With 2 minutes, just gonna get some water. Okay, so yeah, retest the trend line isn't looking good now, bruv. Not looking good, bruv. I really like that 30-minute retracement, 30 minutes wick fill as well, but it's just got that little res in the way, unfortunately. Hey Max, yeah. So, yeah. Do you have a stop loss or you removed it? My stop loss is here on the red line. Yeah. Get that volume in, boy! Yes! So 30-minute filling that wick, getting past that resistance, that's what I want it to do. It needs to get past this a little bit more, but looking like the volume's good, so... Because of this level, I think after this rejection, we've got a nice push up as well. So I actually might hold this on a little bit longer. More than TP1, so we'll see. It's about 20 pips though, so that's okay. We shall see. Should I enter now? No, I wouldn't enter. No. Wow, look at that fucking retracement. My God. Okay, this is big rejection, I'm not gonna lie. Look at the 1 minute here. Kinda nasty, eh? I think if this 5 minute breaks that previous low, best probably to get out, to be honest with you. 1760.3. Just think this bullish volume coming in though could save us. Could save us. Or wait for it to break above trend line. Yeah, I wouldn't get in owl. I think if you're not in, just leave it. I think if you're looking at a gold trade now, probably above that trend line. Yeah. Have to see. Or maybe just above 1765. Yeah. Might as well hold for the hourly close. Yeah. Well, the hourly looks good, man, because the hourly hasn't broken the previous. It's looking like a bullish engulfing, so we shall see. Get past that fucking resistance, you prick. Yeah, it's just this level here we got to break, and then we should be good to continue to at least that wick fill, and then up to 1765.5. Push. And there you go, man. This it's interesting in terms of that OB. I knew the OB was there. I knew that if we touch it, we've got a chance over here. So worth it. Doom, 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 doom. In terms of zones, like on the 30, yeah, this is the resistance, clearly 1765.6. So still got ages until London Open as well. That's why GJ isn't really doing too much yet, which is great. Got a lot of time left. So yeah. Do do do. Come on, 30-minute wick fill, boy. How long does it take for you to move from break even to profitability? Wait, what? In terms of a trade or in general? I don't know what you mean by that. We're in the same trade though. I can feel your wet balls. Well, to be honest with you, it got so close to stop anyway. It's fine. Like I think I'm happy with this. And if this pushes, man, I think I'm gonna get a nice trade out of it. Really rejected the lows. Had a bit of a deeper retracement than I expected, but you can't be Mystic Mike. Yeah, getting out of break-even stage. Yeah, normally like, or putting stops to break-even, normally like 7 pips of profit. Oh, getting out of the break-even stage. Yeah, it comes down to the trades taken. Just make sure to look past the trades that don't work and why they haven't worked, and then just avoid taking them. Really helps a lot. Because even if you're not too profitable to start there, it just you know, every single profit margin helps. If you know that this setup doesn't really work too much, stop taking them. Like for me, like a closure back above, like so a closure above the zone. If it's like the high, the all-time high, like the current zone, then I'm not taking that shit. It's always crap. It's always bloody hard. So I'm thinking here, very, very soon I'm going to move stop loss to there, 1760.3. Because we should respect that support now, really. And that would save me, yeah, 13. So I'm going to do that. 1760. Actually, because our stop loss is on the previous 50-minute low, isn't it? Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, I'm going to leave it there for the time being, because I think this 50-minute low is pretty safe. And then when this candle closes in 4 minutes' time, I might move on to that previous low. That's what I'll probably do. 4 minutes left for this hourly. I know the hourly has to make a lower wick, so I really want this to get in profit first. Push! Break the highs! In trades, how long does in trades how long you stop loss to break even into profitability? I don't move it into profitability. I'll just close some in profit. Yeah, I would just close some in profit. Crypto is pushing now. Pushing where? Ah, it's a little reaction off. Just wait until the fucking sells come later on today or this week. Just you wait. Nice for buys, yeah. Yeah, these little spike ups on Bitcoin and stuff do fuck all. It's only because it's at this big double bottom. But if we break that, oh my god, hold your nuts. Hold your nuts. It's gonna get a rocky ride over here. I feel like I've been in this trade for fucking 13 hours. I just know the zone above is pretty clean, man. I like these clean candles there. As long as we get there, should be good. But if not, I'll take the little L. I do think the overall momentum is bullish as well. So we're coming up now, which is good stuff. Back into profit. Yeah, you can get out of break even if you fancy. I have a feeling this is gonna rocket though. I'm liking it. What's your target? 1763.6 and then 1765.6. Is annoying though with the hourly close, I'm not gonna lie. Still holding, yeah. Huddle, huddle, huddle. More like a re-entry. Then I close at break even. Wait, what? Mark open question mark? No. Mark open is in an hour's time. Whole hour's time. 1766 might act like a magnet now.
Max, what was you meaning by the 1 hour candle?
So the hourly candle is going to close in 18 seconds, and it normally has to make a bottom wick. So that means you're going to have to take some more drawdown in here normally. Yeah, so we'll see. I might close at break even here if I can. Down, down, down. So my actual stops on the previous 30-minute now, which is good. Now push, you fucking prick. There we go. Harder. Hourly timing closed strongly bullish, which is good. Do 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 do. Okay, we're on the move now. Broke 50-minute highs already. Obviously there's that resistance, which is a little bit annoying, so we'll see how this pushes in a sec, but I might just go a break even, to be honest. Because in terms of the resistances, they're still here, right? The 30, however, still looks decent. So, it's hard, man. It's a hard one. If you're not happy with it, just get out of break even. I just trust this 30 now. Because the 30's closed above, we should fill that zone. We should fill the zone. I'm gonna hold head and shoulders in play, gonna assume very soon. Maybe. In terms of the zone above as well, it's gravitating towards 1765. It's a closure above our level here. Good rejection, so. Do 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 do. Did it. Sorry, this is my entry there. So yeah, we'll just see if we can get in a little bit higher. Zone above is looking good. The wick fill is looking very, very nice, which is where I'd want to go to. First, push. Here we go. Thank fuck for that. My God. Looking good now to continue, which is great. Some determination today. Yep. Oh yes. Take this trend line off now. Okay, so need a little bit more. Then I will go break even. Around about 6-7 pips. 14 pips stop us to break even. Oh, nice. 14 pips. Holy shit. Could do a push because of a tweet from Elon. Oh, for fuck's sake. What's he said now? Lordy. What's Mr. Elon said now? For fuck's sake. Oh my God, look at the retracement. It's fucking Elon screwing up my gold trade with giving some... Mr. Elon. Bitcoin will make it, but it'll be a long winter. Fuck's sake, can't this manic tweet later? Mate, this gold's gonna fucking launch. Come on, boy. It's a nice zone to fill up as well. That's madness. Oh, Lord have mercy. The rejection. Oh, this trade looks so nice to continue up as well, man. Come on, Goldie. The zone above looks clean as hell. You move stops? No, still got it on the previous 30. You could use previous 15 if you fancied it. But yeah, Houston, we might have a problem. Oh my God. Wait, this is annoying. Making an M on the 5. Oh, what a beautiful trade, man. It looks like this fucking... We got into a little bit of profit, but I wouldn't say it was the largest amount. You guys can crash it before the market opens. What you guys talking about? Please check 4 hour. Yes, 4 hour looks good. To continue down if it reflips, 100%. Can't believe it's still holding that fucking resistance on the 5. Oh man. She got out of break even, but I was really confident, especially after we broke the previous 15 and 30s. Looked good to continue. It still does look good as long as it's 30-minute holds, but it's a big retracement that. Nice elevator music. Oh, what a nut. Fucking gold, man. Playing this zone, boy. Okay, so, yeah, 15 minutes break in previous low now. I might just have to cut it over here eventually. Fuck's sake. Hey ho. Yeah, I'm cutting now. Okay, great. So cut off when we broke 50-minute lows over here. Looked really good to continue up, my god, but something just happened and this 1-minute candle just nutted. After all of that. Beautiful. Yeah, I think sells will work nicely now because the M formation's happening. And I think it's going to be good to continue, especially the 4-hour now. The 4-hour flips, my god, it's looking good. The zone in this area there's a bit cacked, to be honest with you. So yeah. Let me just do this over here. So yeah, I'm gonna have to wait a bit longer for these buys. Maybe potentially above 1766. So yeah. Looking like a bit of a crappy zone now, to be honest. The 30-minute looks good, great to continue. The zone looked great. And yeah. Hey Max, why did you start the stream so early today? I always thought you start 7. Nah, I was starting very early. I already took a trade this morning on gold, 545, a gold sell. And then I took that one there. So they seem to happen a lot earlier in the morning, like 5:45 seems to be a big scenario. 6 a.m. as well. So yeah, I like getting in a little bit earlier. 100%. 100%. EJ 1-hour buys look good. Let's take a look at EJ. Do they? EJ 1-hour break of the previous 1 hour? Yeah, maybe. I didn't say it looks like the best price action. Look at the candles, man. There's no volume. Same with really gold now, to be honest. And GJ looks shit as well. So yeah. Did you just get in here, Tom? So yeah, the resistance, the double top, potentially. To be fair, we came up to there. Should have been fucking break even. My god. That sell came like fucking 2-3 minute candles. Just fucking launched. Double top break, yeah. So I think now over here, if we continue down and break in 1756, the sells could be good later on. Maybe a little bit lower actually. Let's take a look at the 30. So let's look at the hourly. Yeah, I think maybe a little bit lower actually. Below that level of support there. Let's take a look how that looks like in the 30 now. Yeah, it'll be back below that zone and the hourly as well. Yeah, beautiful. It's actually more below 1756. Yeah. You guys can crush it before market opens. I'm joining the mentorship today. Do we do NY session together, right? At what time do you trade NY? 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. So yeah, I gotta write that fucking trades on. Oh man, I should just put break even. But I was only in like fucking 5 pips, 4 pips profit. Really expected the drive then, and volume just came in and smacked us. So 5:45 on the 14th. Minute. Okay, so the first trade. Where is it? First trade. Stop loss was. Where actually was the stop? Let me take a look. Let me take a look. Yeah, 60.56. So it goes 80% at 12, and then the rest is 0. So that's like calculate, yeah. 12 times 0.8, 9.6. 9.6 W, very, very nice. And then obviously we took this fucking trade, which I held for ages. 6:16. Nearly an hour. Below that 5-minute candle that gave us the last bullish push. Yeah, 100%. If you had more time to manage it, 100%. But it seemed to 1-minute candle, we already broke that low. So it's like fucking hell. Pretty quickly. So on this one, stop loss was. I'll just do it here because it's fucking easier. Going like there. Stop loss was there for 22 pips. 22 pips. Just a retest. Actually, no, 1 second. Let me do this. It was a breakout because the 15 closed above. It was a retest entry. And the 15, 22 pip stops closed full at. Let me just take a look at actually the actual value. 16. Sorry, it was full at -16. So total pip secured -16. Oh shit, not equals -16. And there we go. So pretty much break even for the morning so far. So yeah. Let's just take a look then. Yeah, looking like gold. Sorry, GJ's rejected the lows a little bit. Obviously, it's going to gravitate towards 164 for the whole fucking morning. So yeah. I was liquidity today. Mama would be proud. Yeah, the volume might have just slowed down over here, really. Yeah, I mean, I had a couple buys up. The buys here look so solid to continue bullish as well. Nice closure above, retest as well. But for me, it was this 50-minute bullish closure. It was OB there. Nice retracement down to continue bullish. I really wanted this candle to come back down to this level, reflip like this to continue bullish. But now the 50-minute closed bearish, rejected the highs. Yeah, I think, and then the 4-hour flip later on could be quite nice. Oh yeah, doo-doo. Pure pain. Yeah, it took fucking ages. That 30-minute wick fill here. Oh my god. Yeah, it did go quite up. So GJ breaking previous 50-minute highs right now. Looking like it's made like a double bottom. It's kind of faked out the Asian lows as well. That's quite interesting. 30-minute hourly, 4-hour might push up. Looking like price action is rather shite. But in terms of the swooping the Asians, this candle closed wicked into this level. This next candle closed bullish back above. Nice bottom wick. This next candle made a lower wick and a flip. So that actually could have been quite nice, that trade there. How much was the stop? 15 pips. Continue back to the highs, 22 pips. That's quite good. Morning. Yeah, that's not too bad. So yeah, I mean, in terms of the zones above though, as I've said, it's not really the nicest area. So look at the 15. Yeah, like, you know, if I drew all the supports, sorry, resistances, there's one there. There's one, oh shit. There's one there. There's one there. So there's quite a lot of levels here, so it's pretty hard to take trades in GJ there, to be honest with you. To be honest. Where's this thing? Oh yeah, there. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, obviously 45 minutes left for 8 o'clock open, which will be good. I think that'll make the most sense to wait for in terms of taking any trades personally, unless we get, is there a trend line down here now it's holding? There's one here. That's quite a nice trend line for maybe later on. Maybe. I swear to God, if this actually continues, my God. So, in terms of the M, we obviously haven't closed below the neckline, so still could hold 3-minute low wick. Are we going to continue now? So yeah, maybe got that 5-minute trend line. That could be pretty good. And that might get my trade back, especially that zone above. It isn't actually bad at all. 30 pips or something, so... yeah. $30 pipperoonies. Just check something here. There we go. Oh, it looks like Phoenix has been in a buy as well for fucking ages. I think. Interesting. Let me the most IR King thing for me is they close at 2:30 or 3 AM Eastern, which translates to noon or to Pacific. I have no idea what you're on about. So yeah, I mean, in terms of that, swooping the Asian lows of GJ, pretty nice. Obviously the zone isn't good, but I do like it when candles like this have good rejections from the Asian low, which is this level here. It's quite nice to see it play out. 100%. Yeah. Also, W fallen on smaller time frame. Oh yeah. They do it on the 5 as well. Yeah. Can you update the last trades taken? Yeah. Do that now. Looking like we're probably going to come back up again. I think this gold's going to work out now. 15-minute did close bearish though, so it's not the nicest price action. Oh yeah, I need to write this on as well. So, looking good to continue. So maybe this next candle I can get a closure and take my trend line again. An actual 5-minute trend line now. The zone above, is there any resistances for me? Yeah, it's got to get above this level, 1762.5, but I think this time it should be good. So let's see if we can get there. 63 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream. So yeah, so far this month, not too bad, man. I mean, we're starting to get back on the tracks. Even though the win rate is quite low, the gain's not too bad. Like around about 3% nearly, which is good. Starting to get back there. Yeah. GJ looking good for buys. I mean, if you still got them buys down here, you could be in for a nice run. Obviously, in terms of getting in, that's a little bit harder in terms of this level. Can be a little bit harder. Because there's just so many resistances. But if you've got like right at the lows there, you could be in a good position there. Okay, 3 minutes left for this 5-minute closure. Retest would be great, which would be here, 1762.56. Would be good. $17.66. So still a fucking nice zone above, which is great. Stops under previous 5. Yeah, I'd probably do. Yeah, I might use previous 5. I might use this a little bit low here, because if you close below the trend line, I'm gonna manage anyway. So yeah, it'd be probably there. We'll see. So yeah, the buy is gonna be here, 1762.5 probably.
Stop loss. Yeah, I mean, I might have it below here. 1761.3. And I might try and hold this for a little bit. Yeah, it is 1765. I think would be a great target. Yep. Are you gonna buy? Nope. We're talking about a buy though. If this candle closes above the trend line and then makes the lower wick, I'm gonna take a buy there. Stop loss there. That's what I'm gonna do. So see if you get a closure above. Is that GJK? Nah, it's at 164 flat, isn't it? 164. There's a 3-minute support at 161.28. That stop loss could be below that. 28. Yeah, to give it more room, 100%. Could do that also. Can't believe we're coming back up. Oh my god, my stop would have held again. Had to manage it there though, man. The 15 closing bearish is not good. Breaking previous lows, hell no. Okay, looking good. Looking good over here. The stop's gonna be there. $62.5. And let's take a look at the 30 as well. Yeah, 30 is okay. 5, okay. Oh, close right on it. Sorry, close below. Resistance is there, so it's still holding it. Need to wait for one more candle to close above. If it wants to. So yeah, GG. Has anyone been taking any nice GG trades recently? Like the past couple of weeks or so, there's been an alright one. I got a retest a couple days ago, but for the most part, it hasn't been the nicest. What time does London open, mate? All you got to do is type on Google. All you got to do is type on Google. It takes 30 seconds. 30 seconds. So, still respecting the trend line, didn't close above and didn't close above resistance. So it's a no-go. It's a no-go yet. It's a no-go. Did it get up to fucking 8 pips, 9 pips? I swear we didn't, that's the thing. Fuck me, I think my magic key is a little bit fucked. W also, yeah. Yeah, W also, that's true. 100%. The thing is though now it's retracing to this resistance, so I don't know if we might get the retrace. That could have been the retracement for us really. For this to then launch, yeah. So you guys won the Cricket World Cup last night. It was tough, but nonetheless, credits to Stokes. Oh yeah, I saw that. Damn. Was it a good game? Was it? It's quite close, wasn't it? I'm pretty sure. It was pretty damn close. I think there's like 6 wickets or something. I don't know how you play fucking cricket. No idea how you play it. Shit's confusing as hell. God, this zone above so nice, man. So if I get in there, yeah, 30 pips or something. With a 9 pip stop, that could be good. We shall see. Yeah, the trend line this morning was getting in like there, stop loss above like there. there. Continue back down to these. Sorry, continue back down to the left hand side. I was thinking 1756 to get to. Took 80% off around about 13 pips. And the rest could not continue. Could not continue. But yeah, in terms of this week, as I've said, man, the news is gonna be fun. Tomorrow, 7 o'clock news. Then at 1:30, Empire State Manufacturing. Wednesday, we got some CAD and US news and pound news at 7 a.m. So yeah, is this 5-minute trend line? Is Ted's strategy? No. Black Ted is Jason's. And then we've got Philadelphia Manufacturing Index. So yeah, got a lot of stuff on. Looking like this is still holding. Wow, that resistance is hard, eh? Hell yeah! Look at that, nut on the 5. GJ gonna bullish. Investors gonna price in CPI for this week. Still right at 164. Isn't really doing too much. Half an hour left for the London Open. Yeah, nothing much is on the card yet. Oh, you're taking 2 trades though, so it's okay. That's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get a new bloody phone. It's absolutely done in. That's great. I'll show you on like a white background. Just knackered. Look at that. Oh, proper done. The screening. So that was annoying. So look at the 15. 15 just closed. Interesting. So if this candle, this could be quite good. If this next candle makes the lower wick, then closes above, it'll be a celery play there. So that would be nice. That'd be nice if you can get that. That's what I'd want. What is a celery play? It's when like price breaks the previous candles. I'll just show you. It's easy. It's easy to show. It's quite hard to explain it. It's when normally happens in the 15-minute. We like when the candle before a big push happens. So what we like to see is this candle making a top wick, rejecting a certain area, closing weak bullish. So for example, a selling celery would be this weak bullish, and then the next one breaks the previous low. Normally get a nice push. So yeah, Max, you should switch over to the dark side and swing trade with lower risk, higher reward, less stress, just set and forget. Yeah, they never work out. The only things that would work is OBs, but I'm introducing them anyway. I've been taking OBs the past like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, so just going through that. 3 minutes left for this candle. Oh, stop loss will be below there. 13 pips stop. Price action celery or cabbage. This has got half of the candle left. See if it can respect it. If not, then it isn't looking too good. I still think that zone above's clean, man. Especially for that wick fill. Let's take a look here. That 50-minute resistance is strong. Yeah, 100%. Holding A. I need this candle to close strongly above. Have you switched from your old style? And if yes, why? Nope. I just added more to my game, you know? At the moment, 5-minute trend lines in the morning on gold are pretty good, so GJ, there's absolutely fuck all for me to take for any closures above and below. Same thing with gold, really. Apart from this, these 30 minutes still making support. I feel how strong it is, how high the probability if you break it. Yeah, if you break it, it'll fly 100%. It just gotta break it first. Let me know if you want to join the war room with Take to Escape Slavery. The war room. What was the Deji fight last night? I need to look at that as well. Looking like we're coming up now, boy. 1761.1. Oh my god. Oh. Past that 15-minute zone, boy. There we go. That's a better candle. "20 seconds left. Don't go too far without us, boy." 1762.5. It's gonna retrace too. No, don't do it without me, you cunt. Stay. You're gonna make a low wick, boy. So I'm gonna take a buy if you get this retracement that I want. Right down to this level here, 1762.6. No, don't go without us. Young Padawan, you gotta retrace, you gotta retest the celery. Missed? Maybe. I knew this was gonna play out, but my god, what a ball ache. Look at the 15 minutes. Yeah, this is gone. Fuck me. What a pain in the ass. This should be good now. Yeah, 100%. See if we can get the retracement. But I don't think I'm gonna. This is gonna be going to rocket. Finally filled that wick that I wanted to do about 2 hours ago. Which is great. And now it should continue. About. I'm still gonna look to get in the retrace if you get there. But I don't think we're going to. Stops under 1761.2. 761.2. Yeah. Yeah. You shouldn't have closed that trade. Nah, I wanted to risk manage, man. The 50-minute closing bearish again, holding that resistance. I should have closed. 100%. I'm happy with that closure. Are you in a trade now? Oh, Lord have mercy. Just listen to me. I want to get the retracement, which is here. So no, I'm not in the trade yet. Because has it came to there yet? No. But if it does tap there, I'm going to take a trade. Just like what the signal says. But this is going to go, yeah. Oh, wow. The whole morning waiting for that fucking trade. So coming up here now, 1765 flat I'll get to. Pretty easily now. Beautiful. Damn, I missed that. Nah, we haven't missed it because it just hasn't came to the level yet. Celery play could have taken off a bit of an impulse, but that could have been nice. Let's take a look at gold. GJ, yeah, still holding that level, doing absolutely fuck all. Not much volume there, to be honest with you. I'm still looking at this retracement, to be honest with you, so we'll see if it does get there, but I do think it's probably going to go without us. Why is it a sad Monday, bro? Salam, you've got some emotions to deal with over here. It's all good, don't panic, enter, just follow your plan. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Okay, coming down now, which is good. 2.6. You can take a ratchet impulse move on the 15-minute after the break. Clean traffic, yeah. So coming down, still liking it. Still liking it because you haven't came and hit TP yet, which is great. Okay, so yeah, I've just got into a little position there at 7-0, but I might get into another one as well, actually. 6, which is coming right now. Push it a little bit further. There we go. Okay, so I'm in a trade now. I'm liking the retracement over here. Stop loss below here for 13 pips. And yeah. I'll buy it only above 1766. Nice. 1766. Wow, that candle's actually strong, eh? Fuck me. It's a big retracement. Close back below, yeah. We'll see. Yeah, and the 15 didn't close above either. Fuck, this is not looking too good. Why the fuck is this volume? My god! My days. Let's take a look then at the 15. Yeah, the 15 hasn't closed above either. We'll see. Gold is playing with us today, my god. Yeah, it's a madness. We have a 30-minute big wick rejection, 5-minute OB. Yeah, we closed back below, but not too far from the trend line. The retest to entry on the 5-minute as well with that closure, so we'll see. We'll see what we can do. Wow, we're stinking down. Wow, yes, Goldie has been fucking hard this morning. Holy shit. Pick your direction, boy. The retracement there was great. Maybe close towards the 5, but I think still the retracement is reasonable because what we do on the backtesting sessions is the left-hand side. If there's no resistance to the left-hand side, and there's no TP left, which it isn't really, we've still got such a massive zone above, then it's still good to get the retest. So yeah, close to 50%. Yeah, fair. Yeah, look at that 15-minute now. This isn't looking good at all. 2 minutes left for this candle. If this next candle closes above, below, then I'm gonna take it off. Red trend line, Maxi. Yeah, it's still a trend line. It's still a closure above, strong above the resistance. Retest. It's just I don't think the price action is the best this morning on Goldie. How are you? Just subscribed now and like the stream? Yeah, boy. Yeah, this is not looking good, man. It's Goldie. My god, pick your direction, bro. Jesus fucking Christ. GJ, what do you say? We have clean trade in GJ? think it's got a while. Do, 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 do. Is it paper trading? Who's paper trading? I'm not paper trading. I'm in, boy. 50 minutes left of this candle. How long left? Minute left of this 15. Yeah, this is looking pretty ass on the other time frames. Take a look at the 3 minute coming back up to the level. 50 minutes still holding. Go, go, go. Go, Power Rangers, go, go, go. How long left for this? Yeah, 50 minutes left for London Open. London Open. Anyone have any targets for GJ or any levels they want to take things in? Because for me here, it's just a pretty crappy zone, if I'm honest. It's pretty dog shit. If I'm honest with you. It is better to draw the trend line touching the bodies of the candles. Yeah, not for me. Not for me. If GJ closes above that level, what is this level here? 164060? Yeah, potentially. Potentially. Might struggle on the way, yeah. 6 seconds left for this 5. Still closing decent enough for me to hold on. Close pretty much on it. Now push! $15 didn't close. Yeah. I like how the support's been made above the trend line already though on the 3. That's just what I like. That's what I like. Yeah? No idea. Lunch bag. A lunch bag? What's she on about? GJ is about to launch. At 8 o'clock open, maybe get that push. Might be able to. Strong resistance on the 15. Yeah, it's still holding it, man. See how this 5 minute closes. GJ's in a range still. Yeah, I think GJ the zone looks pretty shit. To be fair, the gold one now looks fucking disgraceful. We're not holding any levels. We're just fucking floating. Well, sorry, we're holding the 50-minute resistance. So yeah, it's not looking too good, brother. Dude, let's take a look here. M formation not looking nice. We'll see. GJ, good to wait for the 1 hour candle to close. Yeah, I think so. I think the 1 hour closure could be decent, to be honest. One hour time frame, especially on the hourly if it closes above the resistances, that could be good. So yeah, I'm gonna take this L over here. This Goldie retracement was nice, but my god, it's still holding that 50-minute res fucking hard, brother. Yeah, I'm out. My god. Right, okay, so for me here personally now, in terms of this level, I'm not touching gold until we break this fucking zone. GJ, yeah, we'll have to see, man. It's looking like a bit of a rocket, eh? Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. Hourly resistance here. 164340. Beautiful stuff. So maybe a closure above there. I think that could be pretty good. Look at that 50-minute resistance still fucking holding. My God. In a range still. So yeah, looking like now, look at the 50-minute time frames. My God, bullish, bearish, bad price action. Yeah, it's nasty. So yeah, gotta wait now for this GJ to push up. And I think GJ, in terms of the 4-hour pushing, the daily time frame, maybe above that level could be quite nice. 164.340. Got 2 trend lines for the first time. Go L. Yeah. It's a shame because the 5-minute coming down for the retest was beautiful, but my God, the closure back below again straight away. It's just naff. Still holding that level. Just sometimes you get caught and you got to be careful with it. GJ 3-minute retest and GJ was good, but stayed away because the 15 was about to open. Look at it now, little launch, eh? What a fucking launch, mate. Yeah, that's true, Daniel. Yeah. The thing is, though, it was right at the start. I mean, we came down, and it literally closed straight away below. It's like, oh, for fuck's sake. And then the 15 minutes, like, I want to give the retest a little bit of a push off. But yeah, I mean, I suppose you could have closed below here, but we were in the trade for like 30 seconds. Not even 30 seconds, like 5 seconds, then it closed back below, so. 7p from hedge. Oh, 17 pips. Yeah, those Asian lows there were good, man. 7 o'clock, 832. Sleeping on GJ whilst looking at fucking crappy gold. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin yeah. What tweet was it? Did anyone find out what the tweet was? I don't know what the tweet was, boy. So coming down pretty hard. Hopefully now we can actually flip this 4-hour, but it's just taking a lot of time to break 1660. Seems to like to hold it, but it makes sense, right? It's a psychological level. It's a big psychological level. For everyone that's joined the mentorship, I'm going to add you to the G Drive in a bit. It's just my phone, I can't do it. So I'll do it on computer after this. Yeah, and today we'll do a simulation after NY session. We'll do less sim. And yeah. So yeah, gold's been fucking hard this award by days. My God. Look at the highs is always risky in gold. Nah, just because it's still holding this 15 resistance. I thought we at least closed above that zone pretty nicely, and we're actually above. We're trading above 1762.5. What we realized was that if the trend line's below here, it's a little bit harder. Wait 1 second. My God, the fog outside as well. Yeah, I had to get Caitlin from last night because the plane couldn't land. The fog was too bad. It's like, Jesus. Imagine landing a plane, you can't see like a meter in front of you. Holy shit. It would be pretty hard. So yeah, in terms of this morning, already been an hour trade for fucking ages. Gold's still messing around in this area. I gotta back off now on Goldie. The 4 hour looks pretty good. At least come to 1756 later on, but yeah, right now it's looking pretty sus. Looking pretty sus. So in terms of GJ, now Goldie now breaking the previous low of the 5 minute, 30-minute time frame, rejecting again. Look at that 50-minute bullish structure though, then breaks the high, and now we're coming down here. 6 minutes left of this candle. The hourly looks hard, man. Look at that. Filled the wick, did break the previous hourly high, but couldn't come any further. Wow, this GJ is looking... Yeah, I mean, in terms of GJ and the whole of things, look at the daily, man. It's still very, very bearish. I'm just worried that these buys don't last too long. The resistance is at 330, so I'd want to take a buy maybe above there to come back and fill this zone, which is 34 pips. But realistically here, it's nothing too much. And unless you got the super the Asian lows here, that was pretty nice there, 100%. That's good. That was pretty good. What's that there? So yeah, coming towards 5 minutes left. I think it's gonna be too close to this resistance to there. So hitting 250 level right now. We'll have to see. Let's take a look over here. My days, my phone could barely even work, man. I've smashed it that hard. Hey bro, where do I find the Zoom link? It'll be in the Telegram chat. You'll get an email to join. And then the Zoom link will be here. Up here. There it is. It's in this chat there. Wow, look at this volume on GJ. Very nice. Pushing up pretty hard. Take a look if there's any 4 hour resistances there. No, it's just hourly. I'm in GA buy risk free now. Oh, beautiful. We smack bang in the middle of last week's sticky range on Goldie. Yeah. Yep. Oh yes. So that one there closed above, and then this one here, there to there, also closed above. And faked out as well, so yeah, just hard luck on the trend lines. If gold 50-minute can close bearish and golfing, I'll look for sells. Let's take a look. 50-minute. Yeah, it would be if the zone was fucking nice below. Thing is, though, you got the 4 hour looks good, man. 4 hours made the top wick, so yeah, it's good. GJ coming up, 164, 350. And that zone above is like 30 pips, which is pretty nice. I just want to make sure this closes above. It's nice. It is not so nice below, I know, but there's no OP that I like below on the 30 and the 15. Oh, here. Yeah, I like that one too. Yeah, that's pretty good. How big would stops be on the previous? 29 pips. Okay, so quite big stops. Have to wait for this candle to probably make a lower wick then. Maybe use a 5-minute candle. Interesting. So if you got in down there, wow. 54 pips already? Shit. Very good. This is the first time in the morning that GJ's been better than gold. My God, GJ, calm down, bro. $164, $165 flat would be nice later on. Will GJ do it? Exactly, which is sus. GJ on Viagra. So yeah, I mean, I'm trying to think of retest entries. My God, it's pushed a lot though. The retest entry would be at this resistance. Stop loss below would be 26 pips. The zone above is 35. Or you could use a previous 5 minute. You have to see. So what I mean by this is price. When price closes above, it'll probably make a lower wick. The lower wick will probably retrace to this resistance here. Getting into a buy there and the lower wick, stop loss below would be good. Look at these 3 minutes and 5 minutes, man. No bottom wicks. A lot of volume. Very nice. Check the 1 hour on GJ and fresh OB. Where? Up there? There's one up there. This one here isn't one. This one isn't one. Fucking hell, GJ. Are you okay, Sonny? Okay, nice strong closure. Low wick's been made right now. Want to get in on the retest, but the retest would be happening right now. Stop loss below the previous zone would be, yeah, it's 30 pips, man. You know what I mean? I would have my stop loss there. It's like 30 pips. It's fucking nasty. But it's definitely gonna reflip here and push. It's just so obvious. But it's just getting your entry right. You could do a buy stop. Buy stop could be quite nice. Might do that if the stops are reasonable. Buy stop 164, 450. Or 460, sorry. Stop loss would be like maybe 340. This lower wick. So I'm going to go for the buy stop here to continue and fill the range above. This is making the lower wick. My stop loss is going to be on this low of the wick. Whatever it makes. So in terms of the retest entries, it's kind of hard to find one, right? Because obviously the left-hand side's here. How much would it be to get in now? 23 pips. That's not bad, you know. Is there anything on the 5 minutes that can be retested? Oh, gold. Wow. It actually went. My days. How long did that take, boy? I know people are trying to get the retests now. So touching that level, I mean, yeah, if you get in there, obviously your stop loss would be 26 pips. Your zone is big enough, so that's pretty good. My stop here is going to be 17 pips. 17 pip take profit as well. So that would be pretty nice. Let's take a look. I'm going to trade NY session. Let me just move my stops at 290 now. $290. So low wick being formed, no top wick yet, which is great. Nice clean zone above to come to. Should push nicely. 1552. Yeah, it'll be a break even by then, so that'll be good. Does the no top wick bother you? It does. It has a top wick on mine. That's fine. It's also 8 o'clock, remember, the highest time for some volume. So that's fine for me. It's a nice strong closure. Nice zone above as well. I can't believe that gold, finally. How much of a pain in the ass was that? My god. Got it in the retest? Yeah, well done for people getting in the retest there. I was gonna, but I pushed it out because the stop loss was quite big, 27 pips. The zone's big enough though, so it's reasonable. Okay. So, just been executed in over here. I think. Yeah, I have. Beautiful. Stop loss below. Continue to the highs. Do 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 do. The 30-minute OB? No, I don't think there is any. For me anyway. For me anyway. Man, Goldie inverted head and shoulders did work out. Should have followed the plan. Nah, man. When price action's bad, I gotta get out, bro. Gotta get out. You've lost 2 trades in a row. Why are you still trading? I just took 1 win as well. So it's okay. It's a shame that's tapped us in and there's not fucking flipped and pushed yet. But anyway. If this trade loses though, 100% I will. Now draw a trend line on gold, touching the candle and see where it retested. Yeah. Gold, baby, gold, gold, gold. Not looking good. I don't know. Still looks okay. Give me that push. Solid closure above. Let's just run nicely. I'll break that high for the love of Jesus. Fucking hell. Let's take a look at Goldie again. Yeah. Goldie ain't doing shit right now. I got in at 164, 150. Very nice. Oh wow. All the way down here. Shit. Well, don't take it in, Maxi. Do 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 do. What happened to the no bottom wick, no top wick? I don't know. What do you mean? What do you mean? No top wick, no bottom wick. Okay, so coming around 6 or 7 pips in profit, which is great. I'm gonna go stop loss to break even at that point. I expect this to continue bullish. Continue, boy, fly. Damn. The retest entry is annoying because it's actually where a thing is, which is kind of sucks. But anyway, I'm not taking any more drawdown today in this morning. Gold is coming too. So yeah, can you see the retest is where our level is? You know what? I'm actually not going to go break even, I don't think. Let's take a look at the 15. Nah, I should. Yeah, I'll keep it break even. Why not have a break even trade? Because what I'm saying here, guys, is look here. Can I just show you? The retest entries here, right? This is perfect level to retest then continue bullish. But I'm not taking any more drawdown today, this morning. So I'll take that break even. Cut the 5-minute OB. There is no 5-minute OB here. This one here, when it broke, it already came back up and tested it. This level already did. This candle already did. But beautiful. So take a look here now. There's no top wick here. If this reflips, it looks good to continue. We're around 7 pips in profit, but for me, I'm not taking any drawdown. But in terms of actual price action, you can see here on the 5, you know, price close above, retest, flip, and then to push. So it should still continue. So the retest entry down here is bloody gorgeous. Beautiful. Wow, Goldie. Nice. I knew it would get to there. Beautiful works. Just fucking took its time. Look at them 5-minute candles. Holy. So let's take a look at GJ now. Flipping the candle. See if this can push. Fly! Fly, GJ! Come to 600, boy. Come to 600. So there we go, man. Easy closure above, lower wick, break, push into the zone, should fill this zone up. It's textbook closure above. But yeah, I just don't want to take any more drawdown, really, to be honest with you. Break even hit? Yeah, boy. I knew it would, though, because it's just look at the 5-minute, man. The 5-minute retest is perfect there. It's pretty gorgeous. So yeah, it should continue down to 600. Beautiful. There we go. 600 hit, very, very nice. And now maybe potentially above could be pretty good as well, eh? Wow. I mean, obviously it's quite a big resistance. In terms of the hourly, like, this is a much bigger resistance there. So it could be a little bit harder. So the break even is an emotional decision, not a technical. No, it's just, for me personally, if I go back into drawdown for another trade, I'm not taking that drawdown. It's not going to be good in terms of the mental decision. So I didn't want to hold that drawdown. Gold is going to fill the gap. Let's take a look. Above? Yeah. Look at GJ as well. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. So yeah, see if you can get above. Wow, look at this rocket. Fucking piece of shit. Should have done it straight away. Nice retracement. Gold entry was great. Nah, the gold entry, my god. Look at that. 8 o'clock finally gave it the volume it needed, but my days. Took its time, eh? Took its time. Let me just do this. Another break even. Beautiful. So yeah, for me now, I'm going to wait until the NY session over here. 2 wins. Sorry, 1 win, 2 losses, 1 break even. So yeah, I got to wait maybe till a little bit later on now. In terms of GJ, I still think we're pretty bearish, to be honest. Looks like the daily's probably making the top wick. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, if that was my second trade, if that was like my second trade, I think I would have left this stop on because, you know, the next candle closing needs the retest of the level it's just broken out of. But for me here, I'm not coming back into this drawdown. There's no way I'm doing that. So yeah, put me in a little bit more. It would have, yeah, like 3 pips drawdown. Hell no, no more drawdown for me this morning. And that's just discipline, man. You gotta just know when to cut it off. Look at that. Look at Bitcoin coming back up. Man, this shit's done, man. Next couple hours. Oh, it's gonna be breaking them lows. Breaking 15,700. I think it's gonna be straight to 12,000, to be honest. Gold's tapped 1765, the target that we wanted this morning. Finally tapped it. After plenty hours fucking around, my god. But beautiful. So yeah, 8:15 now. I'm gonna leave it over here, guys. I'm not gonna take any more trades. Goldie royally fucked me this morning. Took so long to take trades. So I'll write them on over here. GJ was nice. I just didn't want to have any more drawdown after the push. Especially with a push like that on the break of the highs. I want the drive, and I don't want I don't want the noise coming back, especially when I'm up 7-8 pips. So yeah, guys. So thank you very much for coming on. Very, very hard morning, but managed risk as much as I could in that part. Maybe the 500 trend line I could have done better before, but yeah. Hope you guys learn a lot today, and I'll see you guys next time, man. See you later in the Zoom. We'll do the simulation session later on after NY. And yeah, man. Peace out, squad. Adios, amigos. 4 trades taken this morning. Wow, a lot of trades. So see you guys. See you later, man. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. And I'll see you guys later, man. Adios, amigos.